but nothing is taking you out. The senior part is about attention to detail. The senior part is about collaborating with engineers to devise automated test plans. Bonus points, experience doing accessibility testing. You can look that up. To stand out, I would look it up and speak to it at a higher level. I would say, I haven't had that experience, direct experience. However, here's what I know. Y'all quiet? Y'all quiet?
How much
I
that
should be
pay?
every.
Oh no, I
All
just
right.
wanted to give everybody else a chance to talk. I
Oh,
talk a
okay.
lot, so
Hello.
Yes.
Um, Speaking from experience, I've been in the market for like the last month, and yeah, I've been getting calls for senior positions and even QA leads, and I'm like, it's a little scary because I'm like, I've never, I'm like, did you see my resume? But they've been calling and as saying